Welcome, Crafty Hackers! Today we're back with some more fabulous hacks for one of our faves, Wreck-It Ralph. We're going over the Wreck-It Ralph hack essentials. If you're new here, make sure to show us some love, subscribe, and click to get notified about every new crafty video so you never miss out. Let's get started. Sour Bill is a cutie. Let's make it so we can cuddle him. Start by laying out your fabric and matching up the colors. Remember, we need tops and bottoms. Next, cut out the shapes. We need big circles for the body, some bean shapes for the hands and feet, some circles for the eyes, some half moons, and let's get the rope. Glue the rope to the bottom circle in the middle for the arms and legs. Next, glue the top circle on, and glue a bit of the edges together. Next, glue on his hands, feet, eyes, and mouth. Get your stuffing out, stuff him up, and then glue him together. Let's give his face a big cuddle. It's Bunny and Pancake time! First, glue 3 pom-poms together. Next, take your felts and black foam and cut out the bunny's ears, eyes, nose, and arms. Glue it all on. Don't forget his cute eyebrows. Next, let's prepare the pancakes. Cut out the plate, your pancakes, and butter. Glue them together. We put a little dot in the center of each pancake. Does the trick. Next, add loads of hot glue gun on top for your syrup. Looks sweet. Let's finish Bunny. Take your white balloon and blow it up. Glue Bunny to the end. Tie a ribbon around his neck. Glue on his arms and the pancake. And he's just a major cutie. Adorable! Let's make a princess room sign. First, on your cardboard, take your string and tie it to your marker. Then draw a circle. Measure out a star. And cut, cut, cut. Cover it with gold paper. We use this tack gold aluminum. Next, cut out the crown. Cover it with glittery gold and add some dazzling gemstones. Glue it onto our star. And perfect for a princess. Love it! We love Vanellope's candy hair. What you'll need? Tons of different candies. Velcro circles, hairpins, licorice, pipe cleaner, and a hot glue gun. First, glue some of the candies to the hairpins. Next, take your Velcro circles and glue your candied hearts, Smarties, and gummy bears to them. Final step, take your pipe cleaner and run it through your licorice. Wasn't that easy? Let's put it all together. We are set with a whole Vanellope von Schweetz candy hair set. Let's break the internet with this t-shirt. What you'll need: a black t-shirt, white and blue glow-in-the-dark paint, a board, and a blacklight. First, place your board under where you'll be painting on your shirt. Next, mix your paints. Slowly paint the outline of the broken Wi-Fi symbol on your t-shirt. Fill it in. Magical! This Fixity Lat hat is where it's at. First, cut out a yellow rectangle. Then cut the corners off. Take your ribbon and make 2 letter Fs. One big one and one smaller. Glue them on. Take your ultra cool blue cap and glue the yellow felt to it. Now we're ready to get fixing in style. So cool! Laughy-Taffy? Yes, please, and this is what you'll need. Long purple balloons, purple pipe cleaners, cardboard, black marker, and red foam. Take your long purple balloons and stuff the purple pipe cleaner in them, just like this. Cut out some cardboard into little half moons for your mouth. Next, cut out the red foam for your tongues. Color the cardboards black. Place it in the opening of the balloon. Glue the tongue on. And now let's bend and play away. Wow, they look just like the real thing. Ralph would be so proud. We all love some jewels. Let's make some gold Fix-It Felix earrings. First, take out your ball of modeling clay and divide it in 2. Next, shape out your hammers. We're using a toothpick to be extra precise. Next, let's turn them gold with our spray paint. Let's take our earring hooks and attach them with some gold thread. Wow, amazing! Glue the thread to the top of the hammer and this rocks! Ready to fix anything wearing our fave glam. Love it! Let's make a nose more balloon. So cute and easy. Let's start with the glasses. You'll need some brown paper, fold it in half, and cut out the glasses shape. Next, cut out the middle so he can see. Perfect! Let's make the collar. Take a rectangle piece of white foam and fold it in half. Snip, snip! Now for the bow. Take a blue piece of foam and fold it in half. Cut out a shape of your bow. Take the purple balloon and blow it up. Glue the collar together with the bow. Now glue it to the balloon. Next, let's cut out his hat. Cut a square piece of black foam. Cut a rectangle and glue the edges together to make a cylinder. Next, glue on the glasses. Now glue it together and glue it to his purple head. Now for the final touches, and wow, looking smart! So adorable! Who's ready to power up with this yummy treat? First, put the white chocolate and red food coloring together and melt it. Next, dip one side of your pretzel in the red chocolate. Next, put your yummy green candy in the middle of the pretzel. Now write power up on the green candy and voila! Now let's eat! Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers! Remember to subscribe and see you next time with more hacks.